Good morning. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is April, and this is the Frugal Planner channel. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. Still April, still the Frugal Planner channel. Today I'm going to do some layouts in this Pen and Gear Steno Notebook. These notebooks are super affordable, available pretty much anywhere you can get pen and gear. I got mine at Walmart. I also picked up some Avery labels for decoration and some dots for coding. And then they had these in the sticker aisle. They were also very, very affordable, so I thought these were cute as well. I was a tiny bit disappointed that they didn't have Friday or Saturday and Sunday, but what I was thinking is if you work a Monday through Friday job and you have a specific planner that you use for that, you could totally use these and dress up that page for that day. And you could do that in the Steno. So this one has the hard cover, like a cardboard cover front, and then the cardboard cover back. Flips over onto itself. It is 9 by 6. So really good size to fit in your bag, in your backpack. It's very, very portable. I don't know what word I was trying to say, portable. So yeah, I wanted to do a couple of layouts and show you different ways you could use your Steno notebook as a legitimate planning system. I'm going to set these aside. And when I do these type of videos, just so you know, I do not use these layouts throughout the week. This is just like a DIY show and tell, showing you different ideas that you could use for your notebooks. Because I get a lot of questions. People are like, why do you have so many layouts? Why do you do so many different things? And the truth is, I do a lot of it to show you how to use different notebooks, but not always do I actually go back for the week and plan in it. So that's what this is. These are just ideas that I have thought of or I have used in the past, but I'm not currently using. So the first one that you can do with a Steno notebook is a daily page. So you're going to have the date up here. So let's say it is Monday, August 4th. Perfect. Then we're going to come down to this first section here, and I'm going to write top priorities. And to set that off, I'm just going to do a box around my lettering. And then over here you could use the dots and do 3 dots, or you could do circles. You could use your own circles. So 1 priority, 2 priority, 3 priority. And then down here we are going to have a to-do and a deadline, which is something I often forget when I'm doing my to-do list. Like, I'll make a list out, but then I forget to tell myself, okay, I'm going to do all of this. When do I need to have it done by? So you see I'm using this red line as a natural page break between the 2 pages. Now over here, I am going to pop in schedule. And you could use this a few different ways. You could use this as an hourly and draw a line down the page. Line that up as best I can. go to there. You could do appointments or errands or things that have a timestamp on them that need to be done. And then down here, I would do this whole bottom section as notes. So I would just do a double line like that. And then I've got my notes section down at the bottom. I think what I like most about this layout is it's really versatile, and it took maybe 5 minutes to set up if I wasn't talking the whole time. So not too difficult at all. And I have used this one in the past and I really, really liked it. And the other thing about Steno notebooks is you can just flip the page and you're on to the second. I did hear someone say that when they took Steno notebook classes, that they did tell you to use all of the front and then come back and flip it over and use all the back. I like that idea. I think that's a really great idea. So just use all the front and then the back. And then this last, well, second and last, I'm going to show you two layouts. The second layout is more of a focused gratitude layout, and I really, really like this one. I like this one a lot. I haven't tried this one, but I think you could, if you don't have a Steno notebook, you could do this in a regular notebook or even a bound book. So we're going to go in here and we're going to say August 4th. And then we're going to write day focus. And you can either, if you're setting this up way in advance, you can just do the days of the week that you're on. Like this is going to be Monday. So I'm just going to write in Monday. This is a fun one. It's not really, this is more of a things you could use your Steno notepad in your bag while you're waiting for an appointment, while you're at lunch, when you're thinking about getting on your phone, but you're like, no, I'm trying to cut down on you know, my electronic time. So one affirmation. Right here. And then one priority. Here. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to do AM focus, so morning focus, one action item, and this is just one of each, and then one emotion. How do you want to feel today? What's one emotion you want to feel today? One love. What's one thing you're going to do for self-care today? And then, what is our afternoon focus? One connection. What am I going to try to connect with today? Am I going to try to connect myself with something, or am I going to try to connect with others? One moment, gratitude. And then down here for the very last thing, well, one habit will be this last thing here, and then energy level. And then it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. And then you fill that out for the day. And there's not a lot to fill in. Like, we don't have a lot of spaces. Journaling for me sometimes is a struggle because I feel like I have to fill up 5 pages. I feel like I have to have so much to say or so much to just brain dump. And a lot of times I don't. So breaking it down like this, where if I can set this up for, 3 or 4 days in advance and then just take it out of my bag and spend, 15 minutes filling these in, what a lifesaver. Like, and then have a full notebook, a full steno pad filled with all of these ones, everyday focus. I really love this idea. Really love this idea. I think I want to try this idea and see if it helps me, one, stay off my phone a little bit more, and two, just really drill in on those one things every day, one thing in each one of these categories to focus on. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you want to see some more Steno Notepad layouts. Let me know what kind of layouts. I know Steno pads are tall and skinny. Are you wanting like a 2-day layout? So you would have like Monday and Tuesday. Or we could, chop it up into a dashboard and do the whole week on one page. I'm curious to see what kind of layouts you guys are doing in your Steno notebooks. I will meet you down in the comments. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.